Oh my god. What's this place at? It's not even a farm, like. Can I go down this way? Touching the cave there. God, I'm gonna have to go back forward and come back. Oh god. When I get on the other side, I'll be able to have a look on this side. It's all about making sure you're alright. Morning guys, just go back to the yard yesterday after the 15 hours and I took a break on 9 hours, which is my minimum. Now I'm gonna open this and I bet you're gonna have a nasty surprise. Not a nasty, but a big one. Okay, pallets get all the way to here. It's 22 pallets, so let's see what actually have I got in here. Oh god, I know this. I know this. I know this stuff. Heavy stuff. I've been transporting this for about a month and a bit now. And they're really heavy. Gonna take my unit out of that and then I'm gonna get underneath for the other one, so I'll do that now. All right, I'm gonna go and get my plate now. Number plate, brakes, legs. Gonna put my number plate here for the time and then do my lines. Close my engine. Get the kimping and the pimp, and I should be ready to go. Just get underneath of this trailer now. This is some big load again. God. All right, this is the way I do it. I'll lay down all of them, just put it down on the floor. When I throw the straps over, all I need to do is just rush it up straight away. So I don't need to have that open anymore. Hey! What an absolutely mess it looks like. So you better get it tied up and then get going. Otherwise, it's gonna be here all morning. So I guess it will take me about 10 minutes to do all that. Let's see. Only 2 seconds it took me to do that because I'm fast. To the curtains, get in the truck and get out of here. Just gonna park the vehicle here. Gonna go and get some water because it's 24 degrees and it's just 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna get worse today. I just refilled the boat, so I'm on my way now. Got this massive load on my back and it's hot, and I had to strap then 20 pallets as well, which is 10 ratchets. Woo! Sweating like crazy. 25 degrees, so it's only 10 to 11 o'clock in the morning. Let's get out of here. It's actually taking me longer than I actually thought they would. And this tractor's been in front of me for the last 5 miles, so I guess I have lost around 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. This is a tight bend, this. All right, go on, baby. Nothing. Need to remember I got a full load in the back, 24 tons of stuff. Legend guy. Woo! He's a good guy. He just thought, you know what, let me let everybody through so I can take a wider. Another 2 trucks behind me as well. I was aiming to get there at 1:30, but I had to take a half an hour break. Look at this. All right, nobody's coming that way, so I better take the whole road for myself. Well, just a tiny bit so I can get past. Oh. Okay. You see, this is one of the things you need to make sure that you always do. Strap your load properly and tight, because I'm going up this little hill. Well, it's not little whatsoever, but if the load wasn't strapped down, it would be falling back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's about, it's not at 90 degrees, I would say 60, 65, which is quite steep. Cyclists go knackered. Let's use as much road as we can because we don't want to go over the white line in case. Okay. Woo! This is on windy road here. Right. Okay. You gotta go slow, just to predict what's gonna happen. Especially when I'm fully loaded. Well, not fully loaded, but 24 tons is a big load. The bloody... Where's this farm at? Oh my god. Where's this place at? It's not even a farm, like... It's just some real tight place, I guess. Whew. Thank you. Okay, she's gonna have to reverse a bit further back. Let's see what we can do. Thank you. She wasn't happy about that. I got a feeling that this is gonna be fun. Don't know why. We're nearly there, 3.5 miles away. We should be there. As soon as I get there, I know the way I need to get in and the way I need to go through, because I spoke to the guy there. But could be any surprises, because the update was 13 years ago. Thank you. Oh my god, as soon as I see them letter walls, like historical walls, nothing good is approaching. All right. Yeah. Okay. Oof. This town is chaos, man. Everywhere. Chaos. This is our place. This is our place. When I looked it up, it didn't look exactly like that, but that free chicken stuff wasn't there. Oh, that's a nice flashy light. That's not the one I need to go to. Can you get through? Can I go down this way? Yes. Thank you. Cheers, sir. Unsuitable for motor vehicles. But I just go and talk to somebody and figure out if this is the right way to go in, because it seems a little bit narrow and it's a sign there. Let's see. Let's go and have a look at this. Unsuitable for motor vehicles. Doesn't say HGVs, but motor vehicles is smaller. Well, he's gone through. Better come in here, have a look at the place. I'm figuring my way out. That's the place we're going. All right, I think both of them are the same thing. Okay, where this office? Just need to find somebody to talk to. All right, we're not coming in here, which is a good thing. We got coming over the bridge and just parking there. All right, Jay's moving them things. I don't know what they are. That's why his name is said. Gonna get in the truck now and get him over the bridge. It's not as narrow as I thought it would be. It's big enough, I guess. Get them all off and get out of here. All right, let's do this. Let's get over this bridge. It actually seems small when you're inside the truck, but it's not that bad. Woohoo! Yeah. Let's get through. Go on the back of my trailer hitting anything, so I'm reversing now. It's not a bad reverse, I guess. I need to leave enough space for people to come in and out. I couldn't get any closer to the wall. Just one pull and we'll get the whole curtain back. Look at that. Woo! Come on, you're taking too long. Been in here for about an hour now. Come on, we have. Come on, chop chop. Time clock here. Taking it way too long, honestly. I'm not even joking about this, but this is the slowest guy I have met. Like, he's been about an hour and a half and still trying to tip this. I really don't get why he's taking so long. How long have you been a forklift driver for? 2 days! Alright, pretty much there. And then get out of here, I'll probably go back and do collection on the way in. We won't know. Alright, I need to get this one out of the way. Whee! Right, it's been tipped now, curtain's closed, and he goes down himself. Woo! Oh wow. So let me see how I do this. I need to go like that a bit. Start turning now. Hold on, let me have a look at this. Oof, let me have a look at this. Hold on. It's better having a look and going back forward and then reverse it than breaking anything. Be alright going back, but touching the curve there. God, I'm gonna have to go back forward and come back. Oh God. Alright, back forward and then back in again. Okay. I know I'm good on that side. I think I'm gonna guide myself by this side. Have a little naughty look. Yeah, we alright. So I guide myself by this side. when I get on the other side, I'll be able to have a look on this side. Have a look. It's all about making sure you're alright. Yeah, it's close, but that's alright. Gonna have to get all the way up there.
Going all the way up? Spin round in there.
Yeah, I think that'll be the best option for me, yeah.
Spin up here, reverse in there.
Right, thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah, cheers. Okay, I'll let the people out. Reverse in there. It's a lot of space there, let me see. Okay, now to turn a bit. Turn the trailer in the back of it. Should be alright there. Thank you. Woo! Alright, we out of it. Alright, we out of it. Now we just need to find a place where to stop 5 minutes, POD this, and maybe back to base. Now the problem is getting out of here. Gonna have to get in a little bit and see if somebody lets me out. No, we're just gonna carry on. Thank you for nothing, but we out. Wow, 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 wow. All right, managed to get out of there. We out a scratch. We fully on the road now. Even though the roads are about this big, it should be a little bit bigger. Whoever's planning the road, whoever planned the roads in the UK were made for HGVs whatsoever. I did this time follow my sat nav and took me to this really small village. It's full of people, loads of cars. Hopefully I don't come to anything too dodgy, unless that roundabout's too small. No, I think that roundabout will be just alright. Woo! Alright, oh god. I got plenty of space. Yes! Not too bad. I think I'm gonna have to take both lanes on this roundabout so I don't mount the roundabout curve. Alright, take both lanes and I'll be able to get turning. It's like red roads everywhere on the sat nav. Go on, mate, get in quicker. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's see. Yeah, trailer coming around. Okay, need to find a way out of here quick as I can. They're gonna have to wait. The best thing to do is trying to avoid villages. It is the best thing. Sometimes you can't, but if you can't do it, woo! Alright, I'm a little bit more relaxed now.